can't kill a VIP. He can kill you, but you can't kill him.
Oh, is that so?
Who else can kill you, Xavier?
Me.
Nate.
Just hears a loud shot, my body collapse.
Wait, so I can kill you?
Cover me! Fuck! I'm with you! I'm with you! What?
Brandon, kill me.
Oh shit.
Who is it?
Oh.
Yes!
Looks like we're losing this round too.
Damn.
Okay, ready!
So.
Immediately. I just let out a whole fucking mag for my MP7.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. How about you?
Killing me, y'all.
Holy shit. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, let's actually play the game before we get fucking banned or some shit.
Look behind you.
We'll be alright. Anyways,
which one?
Brandon's the dick. The dip.
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta escort you.
We're going to B. We're going to B, Brandon. Let's go. We're going to B.
It's like Call of Duty. It's like Call of Duty, guys. Oh.
It is nothing.
Dude,
They were trying to shoot me. They were trying to shoot me and got Brandon in the head.
The only kill was Brandon. That's crazy.
Are you for real?
They were trying to shoot me but got
Don't worry,
Brandon.
Don't worry. I got you. I protected you.
Bro got the drafted ending.
Oh shit. It's my turn.
Let me go first, guys. I have a sniper.
Yeah, we got this, guys.
Someone just shoots him in the head.
Wait, hang on! Wait, brothers, I'm loading!
Why are you leading this? You're ahead of everybody.
That guy.
I don't know. Why am I leading it? Motherfuckers go.
Alright.
I'm down.
Got one. Got another one.
I know how I'm doing this.
Huh.
Hey, someone's down!
Didn't work out, did it? You just took a nap.
Sorry guys, I got sleepy. Like how these guys are playing it so serious, and then you got our dumbasses over here just.
It's just you and me. Oh.
Ready!
Who's the VIP? Oh, there it is.
Random.
Let's go!
Like I was just quick scoping everybody, and then I look behind me, and then it just be on the floor. He's just crawling.
Yeah, my big idea was to crawl. Maybe they wouldn't see me.
Also, I'm pretty sure I just gave the VIP the full PTSD experience.
Good.
He was following me and got my head taken off.
Hey Brandon, look at what I sent you on Instagram.
Okay, are we ready?
Man, fuck you.
Another random.
If my hand was that big, I'd be doing the same thing.
Enemy north!
What?
What?
Let's move!
Brandon's
Pretty game, Brandon. Pretty game.
confirmed.
I didn't think that.
Or what?
Listen, I put down my phone. All I hear is, man, if I had my fingers, if I had hands that big, I'd be doing the same thing.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about
No,
it.
You guys want to see what it is?
It's literally just someone taking a
very
picture. Holy shit! My friend just died in front of me.
Get down! Get down! Get down!
I sent it to the group chat. You can see what we're talking about now. Jesus Christ! I thought that was a teammate. Damn it! He killed me.
Oh my.
Jesus, Brandon, put on a fucking scope or some shit.
Yeah, you're telling me. Ah. Oh my god, are you serious?
You just got dragged to the mud.
Don't go that way. You're gonna get gunned down.
Yeah.
Well,
You're the only one in here with me.
no. No.
Where the fuck
They're
are you guys
lying.
at?
Okay, let's move.
I don't
There's
know.
literally
People
only
haven't spawned in yet.
4 of us here.
No. There's,
Where'd
there's
they
5
go?
of us. They're Nathan's building his shit still.
Oh.
Oh, they probably haven't picked classes and shit.
Yeah, and then Chris is still gone.
Okay, grenade out.
I'll frag it.
Who's this right here? Help me.
Yeah, I don't know where the fuck they are. I can't help you if I don't know where the hell they are.
Behind that car over there.
I
Or
just
not
think I
car,
got
the
him.
wall.
But don't come out to check. I'm gonna.
God, pistol iron sights are the worst. I always hate pistols in every game.
Are you good?
Can I move up? All right.
Yeah, I got him.
I'm gonna move up past this
Over
wall
here,
right
this
here.
side, this side, over here. Over here on this side. Whoever is Jackie.
I need help.
We're capping A right now.
We've just taken over.
Ooh.
Died.
We're okay.
I was about to say I heard someone around us. I didn't know where.
The second I saw that guy, I beamed him down.
Удачи!
It was this time. It's random.
Everybody want to kill the random.
Straight up to it.
If he's like, guys,
No
we can
hesitation.
flip. I'm on your team.
No,
He's AFK, I
Chris
think.
has some, but it's not like a good one.
He's
You don't have
okay,
to.
god damn it. Okay, alright. I guess we'll just have to kill everybody. Guess we'll just have to do it the fun way then.
Here!
And then
I'm gonna stab you, Brandon.
Let's go!
guys actually wait.
Oh, God. The moment I peeked it.
VIP's about to die.
Why did he scream like that?
I don't know why. Now I actually feel like playing Siege. Well,
Yeah, me
kinda
too.
know why. This game's, I'm not gonna lie, this game's pretty fun, yes, but now it's making me want to play Siege.
Oh my God.
He's back.
Y'all want to play Siege after this?
After this, yeah, this is the only thing we're gonna be playing.
Are we ready?
But let's just play Siege. It's making me want to play Siege.
There! I'm ready! ready.
We're gonna start playing this like regularly or what?
Okay, good.
Honestly, I wouldn't mind. It's fun.
Yeah, I'll
Man,
I'll install it right now.
I love getting PTSD.
I'm not.
Same, brother, same. New
You
Year's
know what,
gonna
Brennan?
be crazy
No one
this year.
cares about you.
God damn. I'm just voicing my opinion.
Xavier, I say to match the, so we can like roleplay for real. We can like retire. We can retire early, and then we can buy a firearm. So when New Year's comes around, you know,
What
we
do
can
you-
have like a moment.
What do you mean? By
We
I
role
think
playing
I
veterans,
already
bro.
have one.
Does that mean I can shoot myself on top of a bridge while saying, "Oh, I don't want
Chris,
to
do you know who you're speaking to?
Dang
I
it.
don't already have a firearm in my possession.
Bro, damn, you far ahead then.
Of course I am.
Wait.
Do you know? Who...
Hey, don't we all have one?
Not yet.
Loser.
Fucking loser. Someone that doesn't have a gun, we just call them loser. Fucking poser.
Trusted.
You live in Texas. You live in South Texas. You know how easy it is to get one?
Boy, I'm not like. That's not the first thing like I worry about getting.
It should. We live in fucking Texas.
You live
Yeah,
in
you're
South
actually right.
Texas. You shouldn't
Bro,
be
I'm just
worried
playing
about
life
getting-
on the most difficulty, bro. That's all it is, bro.
You know,
I
I,
made
want to
it
do
this
that too
far.
now.
I mean, I made it 18 years. I mean, if I can actually get a weapon, that I could add another 20 or 30 on top of that, you know. This guy's saying.
I don't know. It doesn't matter.
You saying
He
to
pimped out.
kill Miguel. That's what he's saying.
What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Use the smoke.
Are you talking shit, Brandon?
Don't worry about it. Hey, watch out!
Just running around like a headless chicken. I love it.
Aren't we all?
Do it more.
Oh my god. Stop it!
Where?
You
Go ahead
fucking,
and
Now I
say
am.
you fucking dick. I hate you.
Like, just get better at the
Hey, fuck off.
move, bitch.
Why don't you move? You're in the way. Oh,
Let's go.
That's all me. I shot the perpetrator.
yeah. You shot real good, didn't you?
Yeah, it took me a couple mags, but I got it.
How low did I get you?
Not low at all.
Really? I shot your head.
I didn't even think you hit me. I hit him twice with the deagle. You didn't kill him? That's gay.
Got that.
Yeah, I just look at his face on the floor.
I got a full view of the fucking
I
PTSD
spectated you as
experience.
it happened. I just see Nathan turn and look at him. What was that, Chris?
Point of the mask.
That's
Said
what the
dream.
mask is.
There we go.
I was honestly
waiting for
expecting that.
I was just waiting for it. I knew any old dumbass was gonna say it.
That was
he
that
gave me
was
a break.
Xavier.
I was just waiting for it the entire time. That's why I asked him twice. I was like, "What'd you say?"
We were all just thinking it. I just said it.